Hello, Greg and Sal. Today we have the honor of hosting a broker open on the Key West Association of Realtors Caravan. We set out some water for the agents and the brokers. They'll be here any minute. We have a door prize, a bottle of bubbly. The place looks great. And your competition, there's another seaside condo on the docket, and that one is upstairs at suite number 440, and it is listed at $599,000. And we are asking for feedback, please. Everything is set out and ready to go, so we'll get the broker opinion of value from very many professional and licensed real estate agents. So, place looks great, and we'll talk to you soon.
Yes, so cute.
If you would please give us some feedback, pen and paper there.
I can take it out of your way. If you ever want that, it's the best smell in the world. I know.
How about that view, Peter?
I love it.
I know.
Very nice.
I feel like your palate changes when you hit 30. That's what happened to me. It's like, okay.
How's it going, guys? There's a pen and paper in that primary suite. If you would please give us some feedback. Okay. All the brokers and agents just left, and let's read the feedback.